Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your phone actually has Face ID or a biometric sensor and that Messenger is up to date. Once done, open Messenger and go straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Tap App Lock to begin. You'll see options to require authentication immediately or after a delay. Choose what fits your routine. This step creates the security container. It tells Messenger to defer access until a successful biometric check verifies you. Now enable the biometric toggle inside App Lock to let Messenger use your device's Face ID or fingerprint sensor. Once enabled, select the lock timing, immediately for maximum privacy or a short delay for convenience. If the system prompts appear, grant Messenger permission to use Face ID or biometrics. This step links the app with your system-level biometric keys. Make sure your device's general Face ID/fingerprint setup. Finish by closing Messenger and reopening it to confirm the Face ID prompt appears and unlocks the app. If it doesn't, make sure Face ID or biometrics are enabled globally in your device settings and that Messenger has permission to use them. Once checked, try toggling App Lock off and on, restart your phone, or reinstall Messenger to clear glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if Face ID repeatedly fails, re-enroll your face in system settings rather than changing Messenger settings alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.